Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have Business Manager and admin rights. Now create or select a pixel in Events Manager. Copy the pixel ID, then insert the base code into the site header or push it via Google Tag Manager. This ensures every page fires the pixel. Once done, verify the pixel status in Events Manager. You do this now so events can be recorded consistently. Without the base code, conversion events won't link back to your ads, and training won't start. You'll next map the actions that matter. Select standard events like purchase or lead and supplement with custom events if needed. Use the Event Setup tool for quick mapping or add event snippets to buttons and form confirmations for precision. Make sure to include parameters, value, currency, content IDs, because Facebook uses them to model conversions. Once mapped, trigger test events and wait for consistent receipts. This builds the dataset needed for reliable optimization and audience signals. You should now drive controlled traffic and conversions to accelerate training, run test purchases or lead submissions, then monitor Events Manager for real-time hits. Allow 1 to 2 weeks for the algorithm to learn. Make sure campaigns spend and convert so optimization has signal. If events don't appear, inspect browser network calls, disable ad blockers, and verify consent banners aren't blocking the pixel. Finally, use the Diagnostics tab for error details.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.